Calgary 1988, the Winter Olympics were in full swing, but no one expected to see us, a team from sunny Jamaica, on the icy bobsled track. The reactions? Pure disbelief at first. After all, Jamaica wasn't exactly known for snow, let alone bobsledding. But we had something stronger than experience: determination. We weren't there to just compete. We were there to prove that resilience and teamwork can take you further than talent alone. Our sled didn't finish every race, true, but what we did was that we started a movement of people around the world. People saw in us a reflection of their own struggles, dreams, and belief in the impossible. And then Cool Runnings came. Our story inspired one of the most beloved sports movies of all time. But let's be clear, that movie didn't just showcase our journey, it represented anyone who was ever dared to dream big despite the odds. You see, resilience isn't about perfection, it's about showing up, pushing forward, and giving it your all. So tell me, what's your favorite underdog moment in Olympic history? Drop it in the comments below, and remember, keep on pushing.